Uber honk.
Uber honk is a revolutionary new technology where the night before you're going to bed, you call your Uber honk for 7 a.m. The Uber honker shows up at your house at 6:59. Clock turns to 7. They lay on the horn. At that point, the user of Uber honk has the ability to either have the driver drive away or snooze, where they wait 10 more minutes, play on their phone, whatever, and then they honk again. If at that point you do not get up, that is when your sleeper rating has the ability to go down, but also more importantly, they bust into your house and shake you. User friendly.
Uber honk changed my life.